Hello, I'm Screenidos with a Y within Y doesn't have anything to do with whatever. Today I'm going to spoil Bolt's story because nobody even knows this character and I just want to. I'm kind of like stealing the idea, inspired by Moon Kitty, and also this video. This story is written by Lagging Chips. When Bolt was young, he was sick a lot. So his owners fixed him by ripping him apart and sewing him back together.
I really want to die.
So then Bolt teared off his face and he died. And that was the end of Bolt's story. Or was it?
I'm coming for your face next.